Good morning, students. Today let us begin the third chapter of your grammar, that is change the degree, or we call degree of comparison. When we say degree of comparison or change the degree, what is being compared? It is the adjective is compared, okay? And so what is adjective? Adjective is that which qualifies the noun or it speaks more about the noun. There are three degree of comparisons, you know it: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For example, tall is a positive, comparative becomes taller and superlative becomes tallest. Most of the positive degree is added with ER, it becomes comparative taller, and EST, it becomes tallest superlative. Same way, rich, richer, richest. But when we come to this generous, we cannot put ER or EST. We add here more generous and most generous. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. But here you see, again, good, it becomes, you cannot write gooder and goodest, okay? Good is better and best. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. The rules. There are some rules from positive to comparative and vice versa. You see here, I will have to adjust little your video, and so just, I'm sorry. Okay, let's continue. If there is no negation in the sentence, you have to add negative word like no and not. Okay, suppose there is no negative word like no, not, you add it. For example, Sneha is as tall as Nita. Let's take this example. This is an assertive sentence. It is no, not or no is not added. Our rule is, if there is no negation, add negative word, no or not. Interchange, second rule, interchange the two subjects. Here two subjects are what? Sneha and Nita. You have to interchange. Nita will come first and Sneha will go the last, and in between you have to put not, okay? And then you have to know which is adjective here. Which is adjective? Tall is an adjective, and so tall to taller. So Nita is not taller than Sneha, and here there will not be any superlative because both are same. As followed by as, that means both are the same, and therefore it is you add here no or not and you get the comparative degree. Understood? For example, again I will say, Bombay is as crowded as Calcutta, and therefore what will be the answer? Calcutta is not more crowded than Mumbai. Understood? That becomes your comparative, and for that there is no superlative, both are same. Replace as followed by as, this as and as, with than and vice versa. Here there is, in comparative there is no as, that is removed, and we put here than. Not taller than, not smarter than, not more beautiful than, not bigger than, this kind of sentences. Then change the form of adjectives like good into better, high into higher, tall into taller, and so on. Okay? Next, the rules for superlative to positive and comparative. When it is superlative degree, you know, the most, the best, the most intelligent, the most beautiful, the prettiest, all these things are known as these are the superlative degree. And so start with no other for positive. And for example, Amitabh is greatest actor in the Hindi film. Greatest, that means nobody is greater than him. Understood? This is the greatest. Amitabh is greatest actor in the Hindi film. Positive would be, no other actor in the Hindi film is so great as Amitabh. Greatest you have to make great and greater. Remember that. Then your answer is greatest again. So no other actor in the Hindi film is so great as Amitabh. Then comparative would be, Amitabh is greater than any other actor in the Hindi film. Here great, greater, and the greatest is given there. I hope it is clear for you. Second example, Rani is one of the best singer in Gujarat. When we say one of the best, That means there are some more better singers, or not best, but then there are other singers, those who are singing like Rani. Okay. So here positive would be very few singers in Gujarat are as good as Rani. That is, there are some. Okay, very few. And the comparative would, Rani is better than most other singers in Gujarat. So very few singers, most other singer, and she is the one of the best. You see again the rule, no? Whenever you feel like, whenever you find the sentence, come across the sentence, as tall as, or as rich as beautiful as pretty as, whenever as followed by as, and if there is no negative word, then comparative would be, she is not taller than, he is not richer than, he is not more beautiful than. That will become comparative, and there will not be superlative degree. Whenever you come across the sentence, no other girl is so tall as Smita, or no other person is so beautiful as, suppose this kind of sentence comes, no other, the negative word, negative sentence, then comparative would be, you will have to make comparative and superlative. She is taller than any other, or he is richer than any other, he is prettier than any other, and the superlative will be, he is the tallest, she is the prettiest, she is the richest. Remember, the richest, the tallest will come here, remember, because here no other, that means nobody else. Therefore superlative is a must, the tallest, if it is tall, and rich, then richest. Then now the sentence can begin with very few girls are as tall as Smita, okay? Or very few people are as rich as Mr. Shah. This kind of sentence, then comparative would be, he is taller than most other, he is richer than most other, he is brighter than most other, and superlative would be one of the tallest, one of the richest, one of the prettiest, one of the shortest. This is the superlative. One of the, he is not the, okay, here the tallest, here one of the tallest, okay, because very few means there are some. Suppose the sentence begins with, some other people or some other girls are at least as tall as Smita, okay, at least as tall as, or some other people are at least as rich as Mr. Shah. This kind of sentence, when it is there, then comparative would be, he is or she is taller than some other, he or she is richer than some other, and superlative is not the tallest, not the richest, not the prettiest, not the best. Okay, it is here, it will become not, because some other are there at least as tall as. So these are the rules that you must remember. There is no other way, my dear students. Here is the again examples I have given you. Again I have to adjust your video. Okay, let's continue. Only the examples here I have given. Positive, Meenal is as tall as Mitesh. Same examples are there. Comparative will be, Mitesh is not taller than, or not richer than, or nor more beautiful than. Okay, so there is no superlative for this kind of sentences. Again, second example, no other person is so tall as Mahesh. Comparative would be, Mahesh is taller than any other person. Superlative is, Mitesh is the tallest person. Again, third example, no other school in Bombay is so big as this one. Comparative will be, this school is bigger than any other school in Bombay. This school is biggest in Bombay, because there is no other. Here, very few boys in the college are as strong as Mohit. Mohit is stronger than most other boys in the college, and Mohit is one of the strongest boy in the college. One of the, not the biggest here, so not the strongest, okay, one of the strongest. That means there are some boys are there stronger than him or like him. Again, some other boys are at least as tall as Mohit. Mohit is taller than some other boys, and Mohit is not the tallest. Remember here, when two objects or persons are compared, there are only two degree forms, that is positive and comparative, the first example that I have given. But if the comparison is between more than two objects or persons, the use of superlative is a must. And And here is your exercise. Again 10 sentences I have given you here. You have to change the degree. You have to write the answer. No other man was as generous as Tommy. You will have to write it for the positive, comparative, superlative, okay, as the question is there, because some sentences should be with the positive, some will be comparative, and some with the superlative. So read, go through it, and complete your notebook. Thank you.